Next, let's explore the badges section of your vendor portal. Badges are recognitions your product earns on Software Finder based on real performance, verified reviews, ratings, and buyer engagement, like Buyer's Choice, Excellence Award, and the Good Software Index. They're a simple way to showcase credibility and signal to prospects that your product is trusted by real users. To feature a badge, select it, click Use this badge, then publish changes to make it live. It'll be marked active on your profile. Note that only one badge can be active at a time. You can also download any badge or download all, and even copy the embed code to display your recognition on your own website. Badges are awarded automatically as your profile performs, so the more genuine engagement you earn, the more recognition you can put to work. In the next video, we'll walk you through the leads section and how to turn buyer interest into real opportunities.